So how is Harness improving reliability for our customers?
From the service reliability management standpoint, Harness has created a module that is intended to bring the folks who are responsible for reliability, like SREs, and the folks who are responsible for velocity, like the development and engineering team, want to bring them together, right, on the same page about reliability concepts and reliability topics. Service reliability management is all about SLO management, making that easier to scale that out, bringing some actionability to that throughout the software delivery process in the continuous delivery pipelines, improving reliability continuously by getting all the exceptions out of your code before it ever makes it to production.
So one of the ways you might get exceptions out is through experimentations. How about chaos engineering?
With Harness, we're really giving and enabling developers, QA engineers, SREs, like Jim said, to collaborate and reduce risks to the business by proactively addressing system failures that cause unplanned downtime. One example of that is you can inject latency into your application to see how it responds and behaves during like a network outage. Does my system fail or does it gracefully degrade, giving the user the right error message on their screen?
Awesome. So Jim, what about some of the key features of our Service Reliability Manager?
Yeah, there's a few really important features. First of all is basic SLO management. We have to have that. So you can define, manage SLOs so that you hopefully you never ever violate your SLAs at that point if you get that right. The second really important feature is change impact analysis. So one of the things that reliability teams spend a lot of time on is trying to troubleshoot when there are reliability issues, and they have a slew of monitoring solutions. A massive amount of data that they have to dig through. So Harness SRM, it collects data from all of those various sources, applies some artificial intelligence, some machine learning algorithms, and really makes sense out of that data and aligns it with any SLO violations. It also pulls in change information like configuration changes, which are absolutely critical to understanding if they were responsible for some of that customer impact. And then finally, there's integration with CD solutions. And that integration is really where we take a traditionally manual process of, hey, when our error budget runs out, we need to stop deploying new features. So we're going to go ahead and ask the developers to stop doing that. That process has been manual in the past. Well, we take that and we automate that using reliability guardrails. So instead of difficult conversations between the reliability team and the software engineering team, we make it automated where everybody knows what the processes are and what's going to happen. And, there are overrides in case that software really does need to be deployed in order to fix those reliability issues.
And what about with chaos engineering? What are some of the key features there?
Yeah, we're really trying to help customers get started quickly. We have an enterprise chaos hub. So basically we have experiments that you can use out of the box that are pre-built, ready to get started on any cloud provider or on-premise data center. We're also like Kubernetes specific. So we're cloud native chaos engineering. So again, if you're deploying code to Kubernetes, you can deploy chaos to that easily out of the box. And also just with automating chaos experiments to remove that toil from developers, we have platform integration with CI/CD, and you can leverage our GitOps functionality too.
Yeah, that's awesome. So when you guys put these together with our CD product and module, how does SRM and CE kind of work together?
The beauty of Harness overall is the platform. It is a unified platform, and so SRM, it works across various phases of CI and CD where you have capabilities to continuously improve reliability of your software. So one of the major things that SRM brings in particular is really getting, identifying all the exceptions, the uncaught ones, the caught ones, and in particular the swallowed exceptions where you're catching them and kind of sweeping them under the rug. Those swallowed exceptions can be really problematic in production. And so Harness is going to automatically identify all of those and provide all the related debug data to help developers very quickly get to the root cause and fix those exceptions before they become major reliability issues in production.
Leveraging chaos engineering with SRM, like specifically with like service level objectives, it enables you to ensure your system maintains that reliability through failures that happen, right? Rather than waiting for a production incident to really understand if you're going to be resilient through that failure mode.
Well, Jim, Matt, thanks so much for kind of sharing a little bit about how we're improving reliability for our customers.